Parker here, and we are going to learn about a problem solver called Slick Stick. Slick Stick is a great product to use on slippery, shiny surfaces. Basically anything that's laminate, plastic, glass, these are all problematic surfaces that have an adhesion issue. So put your Slick Stick on first and your paint will adhere beautifully. Okay, let's get started. Before you do anything, make sure your surfaces are clean. No dust, dirt, grease, grime, it's all cleaned and dry, ready to go. Shake up your Slick Stick. It only comes in one color, which is white, but it does come in an 8 ounce, a 16 ounce, and a 32 ounce. Open it up. You can use any brush that you prefer to use. I'm going to use a Foam and Dandy brush. Dip it in, and then we are going to start applying your Slick Stick. You want to give it one full coat, okay? Once you are done, let it set 2-3 hours. Come back, put a second coat on, and then let it set up overnight. Come back the next day and you can start painting. There you have it. This is one coat of Slick Stick. Just because it's dry to the touch, you still need to wait 2 to 3 hours, then put on your second coat. After you put your second coat of Slick Stick on, let it set overnight, then tomorrow you can start painting. Remember, you can wash out your brush with warm soapy water, but do not put the excess Slick Stick down your drain. Other than that, we're ready to go.